Next topic, circulator. The circulator have n number of port, means generally we use a 4-port circulator. Microwave circulator is the multi-port waveguide junction in which wave can flow from nth port to n plus 1 port in only one direction. Here we consider a 4-port circulator. Suppose we indicate here this is a port number 1, this is a port number 2, and this is port number 3, and next one is the port number 4. Then when we apply input as a port number 1, then output come across port number 2 and does not come any output port number 3 and port number 4. Similar way, when we apply a port number 2 as a input, now the power is come out port number 3, not any power come out here port number 4 and port number 4. Similar way, if we apply port number 3 as an input, the output is come port number 4 and not come any output port number 1 and port number 2. Means the equation means follow this form, means when we apply a port number 1, output is come port number 2 and does not come any output, means port number 3 and port number 4. Similar way, if apply port number 2, the output come port number 3 and does not any power come out port number 1, 2 and 4. Similar way, if apply port number 3, the output come port number 4 and not any power come across port number 1, 2 and 3. Similar way, if we apply port number 4 as an input, the output come port number 1. Similarly, all other port is not any power has come out. If we consider here, port number 1 is this one and next one is the port number 2, port number 3, port number 4. Means any one structure is follow. You can use this one or this one. You also change this numbering notation, means we also we represent port number 2. This is represent as a port number 1, port number 3, port number 4. Means overall any structure used for explanation. This is your circulator and this working. Also the internal structure, to observe this one internal structure, we explain in this schematic diagram. Also in this form also explain, this also explain, we consider this diagram by using a Kulkarni, your book writer. To see, we explain using your schematic diagram of 4-port circulator. Now to observe this one, this diagram, here we use a phase shifter. The phase shifter, such like your ferrite material, the ferrite material is to change your wave polarization, means to shift a particular phase shift when ferrite rod or rotation or ferrite rotation we use. The ferrite rotation used in a circulator to change the phase shift of a particular wave in a different ports. Here explain their working. To see here the schematic diagram of 4-port circulator. The 4-port circulator is designed with your one of the consider, this is your primary waveguide. This is your primary waveguide. This is your primary waveguide. To see here, this is your primary waveguide. Now next one, this is your secondary waveguide. Means this one is your secondary waveguide. Now next one is your primary waveguide. Now here to create two holes, such like you observe in your direction coupler, means two coupler. One of the coupler is this one, primary to secondary coupler, couple between primary to secondary by this coupler one, and next one we use a coupler 2 here to observe this one, means primary guide, and next one is the secondary waveguide. Next one is the coupler, one coupler is this one and second coupler is this one. Next one is we use a primary waveguide is a phase shifter. Next also means two phase shifter is used here in your circulator, 4-port circulator. This one is one of the phase shifter. This is your second of the phase shifter. To observe this one phase shifter property, first we remove this. To observe this one, first we zoom it. To see here, the phase shifter is what he did, means if we apply a port 1 as input, the output which is come to port number 2, this is a phase shift from port number 1 to 1, from port number 1 to port number 2 is 180 degree. This is dependent, W1 is your 180 degree, means if the apply here, the phase shift is come 180 degree. Similar way, if apply here port 2 as a input, the phase shift here is come to after this one, W2 is your 90 degree, means this is your phase shift your 90 degree. Next one phase shifter is property to see here, the secondary waveguide. If we apply port 3 as an input, then port 3 output come port number 4. Port number 3 apply port number 4. The phase shift is introduce your phase shifter is 0 degree. This is W3 is your 0 degree. Suppose we apply a port 4 as input and observe this port number 3 as a output. The phase shift is come 90 degree. This one indicate here. Means these are the property of phase shifter you use here. Means we use a primary waveguide, and next one is the secondary waveguide, means two waveguide and two coupler and two phase shifter. Also the property of coupler is, observe this one. Here the property of coupler means when wave is from primary side to secondary side move through your coupler 1, this is introduce a phase shift is 90 degree. Means if we apply here port as input, if any wave is come out to your secondary waveguide using coupler 1, means coupling between primary to secondary using coupler 1, this is introduce a 90 degree, one of the properties. Similar way, this introduce a 90 degree, coupler 2 also introduce a 90 degree, means if primary to secondary side move using your coupler 1 wave, then introduce a 90 degree, means coupler 1 and coupler 2 also introduce a 90 degree phase shift. These are the 4-port circulator inside your circulator. This is a phase shifter, two phase shifter, two coupler and two waveguide, primary and secondary. Now we have already seen this is the 4-port coupler we consider here. Now we go to your working or operation of your circulator. We here consider the, when we apply port 1 as an input and observe the output. Now first here consider port 1 we apply a as an input. To observe this one, this is your move your wave inside your circulator. Here we apply, then what happened? This is now wave is propagated through this direction. This direction is moved here. Now to observe this one, when we port 1 as an input is applied, to observe the port number 2, the phase shift is come here, introduced by your phase shifter. This W1 is 180 degree. That's why we here written a 180 degree phase shift when port 1 apply as an input and to observe as port number 2. Okay, next we observe here, this is wave also move towards your secondary waveguide using your coupler 1. To observe this one, this is now moved to secondary waveguide. This is your secondary waveguide. This is your primary waveguide. Now to observe this one, now this one move. Then what happened? This move towards your port number 4. To observe this one, this is wave we propagated here. Means this is now introduced how much amount of your phase shift? Means this introduce a 90 degree this one, and this one introduce your phase shifter is 0 degree. means 90 degree plus 0 degree. This is your phase shift is come here 90 degree in the port number 4. Also observe this one, the coupler number 2 is your wave also move towards your secondary waveguide from primary to secondary. This one also observe here. This also now phase shift is 90 degree introduced here. This is move here. Now this is 90 degree shift is also introduced here. Now to observe port number 4 is also come here. This is your come 90 degree plus phase shift by your coupler. Also one of your phase shift is introduced here 180 degree. This is phase shift 180 degree, means 180 degree plus 90 degree. This is gives your 270. This is your 270. Means coupler number 2 through the wave is port number 4 is come out 270 degree phase shift, and coupler number 1 from primary to secondary come to 90 degree. This is a your phase shift is come 90 and 270, both are subtract means 180 degree, means not come in the same phase. That's why port number 4 we are not getting any output. When observe this one, means from move to port number 1 to port number 2 side, this introduce a 180 degree. Also this observe here, means coupler 1 is introduce a 90 degree and moves toward your secondary waveguide, and next to move this one 0 degree phase shift by your phase shifter. Now this also move towards your from secondary to primary. This also observe this one, this wave. This one is goes to your coupler number 2 90 degree phase shift, and this also introduce a 90 degree shift. This introduce a 0. This 90 0 plus 90. This gives a 180 degree. Now these two wave which is come across your port number 2 in the same phase. That's why we getting a power at port number 2 when we apply a port number 1 as a input port. This is all operation we here consider. When we consider port 1 as a input port, the output come here port number 2 is the same phase. When we consider the direct by using your port number 1 to port number 2 move here 180 degree phase shift. Now this one, okay, next to erase this one. Overall conclusion of this operation, when we apply a input as a port number 1 and the output we getting in port number 2, and does not any power come across port number 4. To observe here, when we conclude here working, means we apply a port number 1 as a input and the phase shift we observe port number 2 output is come 180 degrees phase shift. Phase shifter is provide a 180 degree phase shift, that's why 180 degree here is come. Also to move this one primary to secondary, move this one also towards this move your port number 4. This introduce 90 degree, this introduce your 0 degree, that's why this is gives your 90 degree. Also to observe this one, this also moves towards your primary side. Now this one 90 degree, this is 0 degree, and this one 90 degree, this also introduces 180. Now this two waves is come across your port number 2 is the same phase, that's why we getting the power at port number 2. To observe this one, this is already we defined the 90 degrees come. Also this also observe this one, this also whatever come the wave here port number 2, this also move towards your secondary wave side and moves toward your port number 4. This now observe, this is the your gives your 180 degree shift, means 180 this one come 180. Now this gives you 90, means total add 180 plus 90, this is come 270. This is out of phase, that's why this has cancel out port number 4. Means whatever we apply port number 1 as input, the output is observed port number 2. Similar way, if we apply a port number 2 as input, we observe the output come port number 3. Similar way, we apply a port 3 as input, the output is come port number 4. Similar way, when we apply port number 4 as input, the output is come port number 1. Means only one we explain here. Similar way, all other port is also explained. These are all written here, whatever I explained. Okay. Also next to move your application of your circulator. To observe this one of your circulator,